I dropped it.
Thank you again. Just when you are ready, I'll be your cashier. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sure thing. No, that's okay.
Man, I almost made that piece wrong.